Happy spooky season. I'm going to be using Winky Lux products to show you how to get this Halloween makeup look. Let's get started with the Cashmere Kitten palette. I'm going to start by using the color Grumpy on my eyelids. Then I'm going to go in with Insta Famous. After that, I'm going to use their Chandelier Shimmer Shadow in the color Bottle Pop. Just going to blend that out. Then the super cute Cheeky Rose Blush. I'm using their Liquid Eyeliner for my eyes and for the makeup parts of this Halloween clown look. I'm starting with a couple of small triangles above my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go underneath my eyes for the bigger triangles. Once that's done, I'm going to clean up my eyeliner a little bit and move on to the lips. I'm using their Matte Velour lipstick in the color Heart, and it's beautiful. Some Chandelier gloss in the color Lucid. Gotta add a little something to the clown eye look, and then we're going to go in with their Graduate lashes. And we can't forget about the So Extra mascara to finally complete our clown look. And what's a cute clown look without a cute clown nose, right? Happy spooky season!